That is Venu. V-E-N-U. That is Venu. That is Venu. T-H shaded that. I-S-E-V-E-N-U. Venu. That is Venu. He is Rani. R-A-N-I-S. He is Rani brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. He is Rani brother. He is third class. He in third class. Third class. C-L-A-S-S. He is in third class. He is in third class. He plays with his sister. He plays. H-E-T. Plays. P-L-A-Y-S. He plays with W-I-C-H. With his. H-I-S. His sister. H-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. He plays with his sister. He plays with his sister. That is Rani. C-H-A-T. That. That is Rani. R-A-N-I. Rani. That is Rani. She is Venu's sister. She is Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. She is Venus sister. She is fifth class. She is in fifth class. She is in fifth class. She loves her mother. She loves her. H-E-R. Her mother. O-T-H-E-R. She loves her mother. Okay. See children, all are look at the screen. Look at the screen. Page number 7. Here, two children pictures are there. Yes, he is Venu. He is Venu. His name what? What is his name? He is Venu. His sister name what? Rani. Venu's sister name Rani. Okay? गड्ढा में थी विपुल, कट्टा हाथ से नहीं. His name is Venu. Tell me. His name is Venu. Venu's sister name what? Rani. Her name is Rani. Okay. Venu's father name. Tell me Venu's father name. Ravi. Okay. Ravi. See children. Here. That is Mr. Venu. That is Venu, not Mr. Venu. Okay. He is a boy. So, that is Venu. That is Venu. He is Rani's brother. He is Rani's brother. He is in third class. Which class? He is in third class. He is in third class. He plays with his sister. He plays with his sister. His sister means who here? Rani. Yes. He is Venu. He means, here giving the one picture. His name is Venu. He is Venu. He is Rani's brother. He is Rani's brother. He is Rani's brother. He is in third class. He is in third class. Which class he is studying? He is studying in third class. He plays with his sister. Yes, here are the three children in this picture. If both are playing, no? Both are playing or dancing? What they are doing? They are playing. Yes, here ball also is there, no? See children? Here one ball also is there, no? Yes, so they are playing. So he is playing with his sister. He is playing with his sister. Okay? Next, that is Rani. That is means where? Here. That is Rani. Tell me you also tell me. That is Rani. All are look at the screen. Don't search your books. Afterwards you search your books. Okay. Now look at the board or screen. See children, sit properly. That is Rani. Here having no one girl. Her name is Rani. That is Rani. She is Venu's sister. Who is she? I don't know. You know children, who is she? She is Venu's sister. She is Venu's sister. She is in 5th class. She is in 5th class. She is studying in 5th class. Venu studying in 3rd class. You are studying in 1st class. Which class are you studying? Tell me children, which class are you studying? I am studying, you all say, you say all are. I am studying 1st class. So here, Venu saying, Venu, he is studying 3rd class. He is studying 3rd class. And Venu's sister is there now, Rani. Rani studying in 5th class. Which class? 5th class. Okay? Did you understand, children? Did you understand? She is in 5th class. She loves her mother. She loves her mother. She means who here? Rani. Rani loves her mother. Rani loves her mother. Venu loves his father. Yes, Venu loves his father. Rani loves her mother. Yes, you also love your mother and father. This is your lesson. This is your second lesson, Ravi's family. Okay. Okay, children. All are look at the board. Now completed your lesson. So read children all are. Okay now? Hold your hands. That is Mrs. Anita. Read all are. That is Mrs. Anita. That is Mrs. Anita. Mrs. means Mrs. using only married people. Okay na? Married. I am Mrs. Sudharani. So, in your class, girls are there, no? Don't use Mrs. Okay? Only I am calling your name only. Your mother, before also, Mrs. Soumya, Anita, Srija, like that. Okay na? Your father before name before Mr. Using Mr. That is Mrs. Anita. Read all that. She is Venu's mother. Anita is Venu's mother. She is Venu's mother. She is a lawyer. What is she? Tell me, what is she? She is a lawyer. She is a lawyer. She goes to court. She goes to court. She goes to court. And next, that is Venu. Hold your hands. That is Venu. Read all. Read loudly. That is Venu. T-H-A-T, that. I-S-E, Venu. V-E-N-U, Venu. What is spelling of Venu? V-E-N-U, Venu. V-E-N-U, Venu. That is Venu. He is Rani's brother. He is Rani's brother. He means who here? Venu. Venu is Rani's brother. Venu is Rani's brother. He is Rani's brother. He. Is. Rani. R-A-N-I. Rani. Here inverted comma is there, S is there. So Rani's brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. He is Rani's brother. He is in third class. He is in third class. He is in third class. Read all up. He is in third class. He means who here? Venu. Venu in third class. He is in third class. He is in third class. He plays with his sister. He plays with his sister. H-E-P. Plays. P-L-A-Y-S. Plays. Plays means you know playing. Are you playing daily? Are you playing, children? Yes, I know you also playing at home, your home. Yes? And school also? In school also you are playing sometimes. Okay. So, Venu also playing with his sister. He plays with his sister. Okay. And that is Rani. That is Rani. She is Venu's sister. That is Rani. She is Venu's sister. Who is Rani? Venu's sister. She is Venu's sister. She is in 5th class. Venu is in 3rd class. Rani is in 5th class. She loves her mother. She loves her mother. She means Rani. Rani loves her mother. She loves her mother. Okay, children? Did you understand? Did you understand? Did you understand, children? Did you understand? Okay, I will ask some questions. Okay? You give the answers. Okay? What is Mr. Ravi? What is Mr. Ravi? Tell me what is Mr. Ravi? Mr. Ravi is a doctor. Yes, tell me Mr. Ravi is a doctor. What is Mr. Ravi? Tell me something. Mr. Ravi is a doctor. Yes, he is doctor now. What is Mr. Ravi? Mr. Ravi is a doctor. And What is Mrs. Anita? What is Mrs. Anita? What is Mrs. Anita? Mrs. Anita is a lawyer. She is lawyer. Anita is a lawyer. What is Mrs. Anita? Mrs. Anita is lawyer. Okay? And who is Venu's father? Tell me, who is Venu's father? Who is Venu's father? Who is Venu's father means you say the Venu's father name. What is the father of Venu? Tell me. Mr. Ravi is Venu's father. Yes, Mr. Ravi is Venu's father. A son of children. Hmm? Is it correct? Okay. Who is Venu's father? Mr. Ravi is Venu's father. Mr. Ravi is Venu's father. Who is Rani's mother? Who is Rani's mother? Tell me. Mr. Sanita is a Rani's mother. Yes. Who plays with Venu? Who plays with Venu? Venu play with you? No. Venu plays with his sister. Venu plays with his sister. Yes. Okay. Once again, read this lesson, children all are. Once again, read this lesson. All are open your textbook. Open your textbook. Open your textbook. Open your textbook, all are. Okay. All are put your finger like this. Put your finger. Here is a small family. Put your finger all up. Here is a small family. They are father, mother, son and daughter. Read again. Here is a small family. They are father, mother, son and daughter. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. That is Mr. Ravi. That is Mr. Ravi. T-H-A-T, that. I-S is Mr. Ravi. R-A-V-I, Ravi. That is Mr. Ravi. He is Venu's father. He is Venu's father. He is Venu's father. V-E-N-U-S, Venus. V-E-N-U-S, Venus. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Venu loves his father. Venu loves his father. Venu loves his father. That is Mrs. Anita. She is Venu's mother. She is Venu's mother. She is a lawyer. She is a lawyer. She goes to court. She goes to court. She goes to court. Okay. Thank you, children. Okay. Today's homework, these two stanzas, these two paras, you write and send to me. Okay, children? Only two paras. Only 8 lines are there. Okay? One time, write and send to me.